Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. This is Ted's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And Ted purchased this unit at an antique store, and he has an idea, a little project that he's got. He has a telephone desk that he's going to set this telephone on when it's finished up. And so what we want to do, since this is the initial checkout, is run through a little bit about what's going on with this telephone. We need to try to repair some of the cracks that are in the front corners of the telephone, and we're going to try to fill those cracks. The older plastic in these units would shrink, and it's pretty common that the 302s would crack in the front corners and sometimes in the rear corners also. So that was an issue with this type of telephone, and it is pretty common. Now we also want to go with a handset cord that is a straight cord, something around 3.5 feet. So we'll be removing the curly cord that's on this telephone and go to something that would be more to the time period of this unit. We also want to go through the transmit, the receive. We want to troubleshoot the hook switch. We want to take a look at the rotary. We're going to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We want to make sure that the numbers are racking properly. We also are going to replace the line cord that's on this unit with a black 7-foot modular line port that will plug into any modern day jack. So the line cord that's on the unit now, all the gray wire that you see in the background, will be removed. Now we have a bell issue. Someone has removed the bells, but the solenoids are still there, and we troubleshooted a little bit, and we know the solenoids are open, so we want to go into that and troubleshoot further. We may be able to repair the coils for the solenoids and find some bells for this unit, or we may have to replace the bell altogether. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that all of our connections are tight and that the wiring is proper. We're going to do some still pictures of this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts, it's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. I'll go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now, the F1 transmitter that is in this unit is a carbon granule transmitter like the T1s, and they can cause a little bit of a noisy or static sensation sometimes, and that is pretty normal with the age of the older style F1 and the T1 transmitters. The transmitter in this telephone is in pretty good condition, so I wouldn't suggest replacing it at this time. But if it ever becomes real noisy, it could be replaced. We're going to run through a little bit about what needed to be done. We went ahead and changed the handset cord and went to a straight handset cord. So that was installed. We went through the transmit, the receive. We went through the rotary. That was cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We also painted the finger wheel, and we did some body work for the cracks that were on the front corner of these 302s. It's a pretty normal situation that they crack because the older style plastic wants to shrink. So that was taken care of. We installed a dial center card that says please wait for dial tone. We also had to rebuild the bell. We found that one of the coils was open, and so what we did was replace that coil, and we had to adjust the bells. We had to locate some bells for the solenoids because they were missing, and they were installed. We also added about a 7.5-foot line cord that can be plugged into any modern day jack. We went through the network. We made sure everything was wired properly and that it was tight. So we went through the entire telephone and all the issues were resolved. Now, these older style telephones will pull more rent out of the line on a ring cycle, so as long as your ring cycle voltage is within standards, there should not be an issue with this telephone ringing. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we can do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call it time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. and we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, January 20th. The current time, 3:56 p.m. and the temperature, 63 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Ted and he can enjoy this telephone and finish off his project. He was going to set this telephone on a telephone desk that he has, so I'm sure that's going to be really cool. And if he wants to send us a picture, that'd be great. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.